Alright, so y'all see the screen. Y'all clicked on this video for a reason. Y'all seen it. Y'all know what the title is to this, so let's just go ahead and get straight into this video. Okay? So today we're going to be talking about how to control Claude Code from your phone. Pretty simple. This isn't going to be some complex tutorial. It's going to be easy. Okay? There's nothing really to it besides a few simple things. If you don't know how to use Claude Code, I'll give a brief summary on how to download and what we're working in. We're going to be working inside of VS Code, just so y'all know that. You can do this on the Claude desktop app too. I'll show you both ways. But first, we're going to start out in VS Code. When I do this in VS Code, it's also going to apply to doing it in anti-gravity. If you don't know what anti-gravity or VS Code is, all it is an IDE. What is an IDE? That's an integrated development environment. Okay, sounds fancy. It's not. Okay, I was a jackass too. I didn't know stuff about this stuff when I started. It's really not. It's not complex. Okay, don't overthink it. Don't overcomplicate it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. How to connect Claude Code to your phone. One last thing before we get into the video. If y'all aren't in my free school community, make sure y'all join. I'll leave the link in the description down below. I drop a lot of stuff in here. And if I've ever built anything, I drop the links and stuff, the GitHub repos or whatever it is in here. So make sure y'all join my school community. But now let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go search up VS Code. You're going to want to download this. If you don't already have it downloaded, we're going to want to download VS Code. Also you're going to make sure you have a Claude subscription, either Pro or Max plan. So now that you have those two things figured out, let's go ahead and get into VS Code. You have this downloaded. I have a whole tutorial on my YouTube on how to download this and set it up, but I'll give you a real rundown real quick. So if you download VS Code, open it, go to extensions, type in Claude. We're going to hit install. Now we have it installed on here. Now we're going to open it. Okay, cool. Now we're ready to go. Boom. So now we're inside of Claude Code in the terminal. Let's connect our phone. Okay, so how are we going to connect our phone to this terminal? Right, this is how we're going to do it. We're going to hit /remote control. Okay, now it's going to come up with a link. We're going to open it in the browser. Everybody thinks you need to be a coder to build AI agents, and that's exactly why most people never start. But I built my first one with zero coding experience. This is an intro I'm working on, guys. Don't worry about it. So I'm actually connected on my phone right now. I'm about to type something in. I don't know why it's called PC Cuddly Cascade, but that's interesting. So let's see. Let's say, all right, so I just typed in, can you come up with something to post to my school community today? All right, as y'all see, it's working on here. The number one thing with this, okay, I'm not going to keep going, but the number one thing with this remote control is you are going to have to leave this session open, right? You can't just turn your computer off and the session will continue to run. It won't. So you're going to have to leave this open. But if I sit right here, now if I go, work out or go wherever, I'm going to be able to keep working on this project while I'm not here. So obviously that's the convenience of this. All right, so the remote control is going to be the same as it is in VS Code as it is in Claude. So it's going to be the same thing, just /remote control. Yeah, if y'all got any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. Or join my free school community. You can DM me on there.